Okay.
I'm about ready to let them have it because it's probably already. And why do you want to chew on everything that's not yours and you don't?
How many? 40, 50? 40. Let's do 4.
Yeah.
Take that.
No, it was 1 minute. 1 minute.
But it's so
That's
little,
close
guys.
enough.
Okay, let's do
Because
it.
it's little.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, we're going to press start.
And what
30 seconds.
should narrate.
Now look.
It might not do it since it's
Oh, no,
already
it's
done.
starting.
Oh, there it goes. Keep it on there.
Tell them what's going on.
They see what's going on.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's.
Oh, it's working good.
And this is a bar of ivory soap.
Don't move that too much. Keep the camera in one place.
I'm trying.
Oh, it's coming out.
Oh, I know. Wait, it just has 4 seconds.
Than I thought it would. Okay, let's see how the video turned out. I'm freaked out about
No, the video isn't done yet.
Yeah, keep it going.
Ooh, that's that hot, kind of.
There it is. Oh, that light's burnt out. Okay.
Now, let them watch this video.
This is ivory soap. Heat it up for a minute. If you want to do it again, you can do it with 40 seconds.
Don't get